Hello everyone, my name is Ishan Kumar, and today we are going to solve a problem, laptops, which is a sorting problem. It is currently 1100 rated on Codeforces. So, let's read the problem. One day, Dima and Alex had an argument about the price and quality of laptops. Dima thinks that the more expensive a laptop is, the better it is. Alex disagrees. Alex thinks that there are two laptops, such that the price of the first laptop is less, strictly smaller than the price of the second laptop, but the quality of the first laptop is higher, strictly greater than the quality of the second laptop. Please check the guess of Alex. You are given a descriptions of n laptops. Determine whether two described above laptops exist. So this is the problem. Let's see the inputs and outputs. For input will be given an integer n, which is going to be the number of laptops, and after n there's a and b. A is the price of the laptop, and b will be the quality of that laptop. There will be AI and AB. They will be represented by AI and AB will represent the quality and the price of the ith laptop. All AI and AB are distinct. As an output, we have to give happy Alex if we find such a pair which satisfies this equation or this case, I can say. And if we do not find any laptops which satisfies this case, then we'll just give poor Alex. So for time limit will be given 1 second, which is something to be noted because we are handling array, and uh, uh, handling time will be a bit complex, so we have to think of it. And for space will be given 256 only. So let's see what the question is trying to say. So A will be the price of the laptop, and B will be the quality of the laptop. N will be the number of laptops. It is not mentioned here. We have to find a laptop such that the price of the laptop is strictly smaller than any other laptop, and the quality of that laptop is strictly higher than any other laptop. Meaning, we have to find such a laptop, if there exists any, that the price of that laptop is lower, but the quality of the same laptop is higher as compared to other. This is the statement given by Alex, and we have to find among all the laptops that will be given if Alex's statement comes true or not. If it comes true, we'll give an output of happy Alex. If it not, we'll just give poor Alex. If we are unable to find any laptop which satisfies Alex condition, we'll just give poor Alex, and if we find one, we'll just give happy Alex. So this is what the question says. We are given time limit as 1 second. So we have to keep that in mind because we are dealing with arrays, and here I'll just mention it. N is the number of laptops. The number of laptops will be up to 10 raised to 5. That's what I was saying. We have to keep keep a check on the time. So what I'm gonna do is that since we are given A and B, A and B are specific qualities and prices of one laptop. What I'll do is I'll take A and B. I'll make a pair of A and B and compare all the pairs of such laptops with each other and see if I can find any laptop whose price is lower than any other laptop and whose quality is better than any other laptop. If I find one, I'll just return that happy Alex. If I doesn't find one pair satisfying the condition, then I'll just return poor Alex. So Since it is a sorting question, we'll first have to sort the array. But why does the sorting affects the array? Let's see it here. So I've taken a test case where n is equal to 3. They will be given 3 laptops. A and B values are given as it is. This is the before sorting one. Uh, I'll just remind once more. A will be the price of the laptop and B will be the quality of the laptop. So for the first laptop, we're given 2 and 3. For the second laptop, we have given 5 and 4. For the third laptop, we are given 1 and 6. So for the first laptop, the price is lower but quality is higher. For the second laptop, the price is higher but the quality is not satisfactory. But the third laptop has the very lowest price but the very highest quality. So what we'll do, we'll just this is in a pair, so we'll just sort the pair. What happens after sorting is that this third pair comes on top and all the other pairs come below. What that will do is that our A will be sorted, meaning the price of the array will be sorted. So the very first element after sorting will have the minimum price there exists. And since the price, this A part that we have to check is already cleared after sorting, because the very first element that we'll be getting will have the lowest price. So we do not have to worry about checking this element. We'll just have to worry about checking the B, the quality of the laptop. So what we'll do is just we'll compare all the qualities of the laptops one by one. So the first one has 6, 3, 4. So the quality of the first laptop is greater than any other laptop. So in this test case, we'll just return that as an output will give happy Alex, since uh, since we have found a pair whose price is lower, price is strictly lower, and quality is strictly greater as compared to other laptops. Since we have found a pair that exists here, we'll just return happy Alex as an output. If we are unable to find such a pair, then we'll just uh, return poor Alex. So this is going to be the logic for this problem. So let's see how the code runs for it. So this is the code that I have written. Since we are not given any test cases, we'll not take T. Here n will be the number of laptops. So I've taken n and I've making a vector pair of xn. Under xn, here x first denotes A and x second denotes B. So x first denotes the price of the laptop and x second denotes the quality of the laptop. So after taking both the inputs, all the inputs, we are going to sort the array. So after sorting, since we have already discussed that after sorting, the price, we do not have to compare the price of the laptops, since it will be sorted from the ascending order from minimum to maximum. The only constant that we have to compare is the quality of the laptop. So we'll just start an iteration up to n minus 1, since we have to compare the current element and the element next to it. That's why I've taken n minus 1, and I'm comparing all the b values with any other values, all the next values. And if I find any quality of the laptop which is strictly greater than any other laptop, I'll just return happy Alex. Otherwise, I'll return poor Alex. Since A is sorted, we do not have to worry about the price of the laptop. The only constant that is left is the quality of the laptop, and we will be comparing all the uh, qualities of the laptop. And if we find any pair such that exist for Alex, which is strictly to the condition, since it is written in the question that the price should be strictly smaller and the quality of the laptop should be strictly greater. So here I've used strictly greater, and the price of the laptop is already uh, sorted, so it does not has anything to do. So this will be the logic and the code for this problem. It just has to be sorted, and everything comes to place after that. So that's all in this problem. I hope you understood it. Thank you.